안녕하세요. 你好. Okay, so let's get started.
The focus of my research is communication. Due to my schooling experience in China, I could master Chinese and English away from my mother tongue Korean. So I had attended local Chinese school until I was in junior high and moved to international department in high school. Since I can speak 3 languages, a lot of people ask me for help, and I became the walking translator. Like, for example, when my mom is communicating with the Chinese people while she's shopping or chatting, she always asks for my help because translators didn't mean what she really wanted to say. So, am I the only one who thinks this is kind of inconvenient? And I did a research. The first research is a survey conducted by myself on WeChat, and thankfully there were 751 people, mostly my Chinese and Korean friends, answered to these questions. So, for the 15.05% of people who only speak one language, about 62% of them said yes to have you ever experienced any inconvenience in communication for only speaking one language? And for the 84.95% of the multilingual people, more than half of them have experienced translating for the people around them. And also, even if they speak more languages than others, about 84.17% of them also have experienced inconvenience in communication. And here are some more results. And spoilers question, do you think it's possible to have a world language? Do you use emoji? Do you believe that images can replace the role of words or expressions? Keep these numbers in mind. So the second part of my research is internet search. We are living in the era of globalization. We can see that from the improvement of mass media and technology, also increasing international trade and immigration, and linguistic minorities problem. So the problem is restrictions on communications and the misunderstandings caused by this. So how am I going to treat this problem? I will try to refine the errors in translator, and my idea comes. I see that our world is getting narrower day by day, but there are still restrictions on communication. And I wasn't the only one who thought this is inconvenient, and several attempts were made to create a word language like Esperanto, but it failed. It's just because it's too inconvenient to learn a new language and we still have lots of problems. So my idea is think simple, back to the past, pictographs. Images are the most direct and the thing that everyone can understand, like the sports symbols in Winter Olympics. So my idea is language plus image emoji or emoticons, so-called lexicon. It will really help the immigrants like my mom who cannot speak or communicate with the local people. And to follow our word's pace, it can be used in travel industry or many other international trades for any age, any people, because it's easy. Later, it's also open to a lot of collaborations because I am planning to make this into an application. So stay tuned and don't forget my idea is a brand new word language, lexicon. Thank